Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix Notepad is not opening in Windows 10 or 11. So to resolve this issue, firstly click on Start. Now here type CMD. Right click on Command Prompt and run as administrator. Now here guys you have to type one command I will give in description. So copy and paste here. Then press enter. Now guys, in my case it has error, but you can try in this command and you can resolve Notepad problem. Thanks for watching. Please comment this method work for you or not, and also guys comment this command line is useful for you or not.